In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sync a shared OneDrive folder to your local computer. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important thing. Let's dive in. Before anything else, open your browser and sign in to your Microsoft account. You'll need it to access any shared OneDrive content. Click the grid icon that is at the top left of the screen to open the app launcher. From the menu, select OneDrive to access your cloud files. On the left sidebar, click Shared to view all the files and folders others have shared with you. Make sure you have permission to access the folder you want to sync. Find the folder you want to sync, then open it, then click Add Shortcut to My Files. This creates a quick access link in your OneDrive, which is essential for syncing it locally. Now, open File Explorer on your computer, go to the OneDrive folder, and look for the shared folder. If setup was successful, you'll see a green check mark next to the folder confirming it's synced and available offline. You can also manage which folders are synced by adjusting your OneDrive settings so only important files take up space on your device. And that's it. Now you know how to sync any OneDrive shared folder locally with ease. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching this video.